Children, in our previous chapter, we learnt about the types of plants and parts of a plant. Now, we will learn about the uses of it. Plants have many uses. We get most of our food from plants. We eat different types of parts of a plant. They are: Number 1. Stems. For example, potato and sugarcane. Number 2. Roots. For example, carrot, radish and turnip. Number 3. Flowers. Cauliflower and broccoli. Number 4. Leaves. Cabbage and lettuce. Number 5. Seeds. For example, corn and groundnut. Do you know one fact? Tomato and brinjal are fruits and not vegetables. Isn't it interesting? Plants gives us different kinds of food. We get fruits and vegetables from plants. Examples of fruits are mangoes, grapes, pears, oranges, guavas, watermelons, strawberries, cherries, lemons, bananas, apples and peaches. Examples of vegetables are potato, radish, cabbage, carrot, broccoli, onion, lettuce, turnip and cauliflower. Cereals and pulses. Plants give us food grains. Food grains are dry seeds or seed-like fruit of some plant which we use as food. Different food grains are rice, wheat, maize, barley and oat. These are known as cereals. Some cereals are ground to make flour and we can make chapati, puri and dosas using it. We also eat grains such as moong and kidney bean, that is rajma. These food grains are known as pulses. Pulses are found inside the pods. Cereals are not found inside pods. Tea, coffee, cocoa and sugar. We get tea powder from tea leaves, coffee from coffee beans, sugar from sugarcane, and cocoa fruit is used to make chocolates. Spices. We get spices such as cardamom, cinnamon and black pepper from plants. A spice is usually a dried seed, fruit, root or bark. Spices add flavor to our food. Plants gives us oil. We need oil for cooking. We get oil from the seeds or fruits of plants such as mustard, coconut, sunflower and olive. We also use oil for oiling our hairs. Plants gives us medicine. We get medicine from many plants. Plants such as neem, tulsi, clove and turmeric are used to make medicines. Plants give us fibers. We get fibers such as cotton and jute from plants. Cotton is used for making cotton clothes and jute is used for making jute bags. Plants gives us paper, rubber and gum. We get paper from plants. Paper is used to make books, bags, etc. We get rubber from the juice of the rubber tree. Rubber is used to make erasers, tires and pipes. We get gum from kikar tree. Gum is used to make glue. Plants gives us wood. We get wood from trees such as teak, shisham and pine. Wood is used to make houses, furniture, boats, carts, etc. Plants gives us soaps, toothpastes and perfumes. We use juices and oil from certain plants to make soaps and toothpastes. Flowers of plants such as rose and jasmine are used to make perfumes. Do you understand, children, how plants are very important for us? So do not cut the trees and plant more trees. Thank you for visiting. Please like and subscribe my channel for more updates. Don't forget to hit the bell icon. Go green!
Plants are very important for us. They clean the air and give us oxygen, which we breathe in. Plants give us vegetables, fruits, cereals, and pulses to eat. We use different parts of different plants as our food. We eat the roots of beetroot, turnip, and carrot, etc. We eat the stems of potato, sugarcane, ginger, etc. We eat the leaves of cabbage, mint, spinach, coriander, etc. We eat the seeds of bean, pea, gram, rice, coriander, etc. We eat most parts of plants such as cabbage, onion, radish, etc. Oil is obtained from some seeds and nuts such as coconut, sunflower, mustard and groundnut. We get spices from some plants. Coriander, cumin, cloves, turmeric and cardamom are spices. Spices make our food tasty. We get fiber from some plants. Cotton fiber from the cotton plant is used for making cotton cloth. Jute fiber from the jute plant is used for making bags, ropes and cloth. Fiber from the outer part of a coconut is used for making ropes and mats. Many plants are used as medicines or to make medicines. Plants like neem, turmeric, clove, tulsi, mint, garlic, ginger and amla, etc. are used for medicinal purposes. Flowers like rose and jasmine are used for making perfumes. Green tea leaves give us tea. Coffee is made from the seeds of the coffee plant. Wood of the trees is used for making doors, windows and furniture. It is also used as fuel. Paper is made from bamboo and wood pulp. Rubber is made from latex, which is the juice of the rubber tree. We get gum from the babool. Care for plants. Plants are useful to us in many ways. So we must grow more plants. We should not cut green trees. We must plant trees as much as possible.
Are very important for all of us. But do you know why they are important or how important they are? What all things do plant give us? I think you all must be knowing that most of our food like fruits, vegetables, grains like rice, wheat, pulses like gram, beans, and tea, coffee, sugar, and spices come from the plants. Apart from these, plants are useful to us in many more ways. Let us look at some of these. You all must be familiar with the coconut oil. And if you're thinking that this oil is made up of coconut, then you are right. Like coconut oil, some other oils which we use for cooking are also made from plants. For example, the groundnut oil, mustard oil, soya bean oil, olive oil, etc. Besides the food, we use some plants as medicines like tulsi or basil, and oil from the eucalyptus tree are used as cure for cold and cough. Jute bags, ropes, sacks, and mats are made by fibers we get from the jute plant. Like in the story, the jute plant gave Sona the jute bag to keep her school books. What clothes you like to wear in summers? Cotton clothes. Our comfortable cotton clothes are made of fibers which we get from the cotton plant. Like in the story, the grandmother was spinning cotton to get cotton yarn out of which clothes are made. Do you like the fragrance of rose or jasmine flower? The fragrance of these flowers is very nice. So perfumes are made out of them. Good smelling soaps also use flowers. Like rose and jasmine, there are some more plants which have beautiful leaves and flowers. We use them to beautify our homes, gardens, and offices. These are called as ornamental plants, like ornaments or jewelry. Are your studies possible without trees? Hmm, you might be thinking how trees are coming in studies, right? No, the studies is not possible. The chairs on which you sit and the table on which you keep your books is made from the wood of the trees. Not just table and chairs, the doors and windows, all the furniture is made from the wood. Wood of trees like teak, oak, bamboo, etc. are used to make furniture. Like in the story, the oak tree gave Sona a wooden table and a carriage for her horse Tufan to drive. Do you know that all your books, notebooks, and all type of papers are made from the plants? Paper is made from the bamboo plant. Like in the story, the bamboo plant gave Sona many notebooks for the school. Similarly, rubber tree gives us rubber which is used to make eraser for your pencils. Even the tires of the cars, buses are made of rubber. In the story, Sona was happy to receive rubber slippers from the rubber tree. The gum or glue which is used to stick paper is obtained from the stem of the kikar or acacia tree. But oh, sharpener we don't get from that tree. Plants are also useful to animals. Many animals eat plants as food. like goat. Trees are also home to many animals. Monkeys, squirrels live on trees. The birds make their nest on the trees. The wood from plants is used as a fuel for cooking from the ancient times. Many people still use wood as a fuel for their cooking. Now you know how important the plants are. So if you want all the benefits from plants, then grow more and more plants. Bye bye, children.
So, students, whatever we had learned in the class about the uses of plants, now we are going to write in our fair book. What are you going to write in your fair book? Filling the blanks, MF and G2E. So, I request everybody to take a pen and a book and sit with it so you can write what I am going to make you write. So I will dictate this at least 2 times. Okay, so you have to write with me. So what is our first filling the blanks? First is potato and sugar cane are examples of stems we eat. Potato, potato. And sugar, sugar. cane, sugar cane. Arer, example. Example. Of stems, stems. Weeat, eat. Potato and sugarcane are examples of stem we eat. Now, second, we get tea, coffee and sugar from plants. Weget, get. Teat, coffee, and sugar, sugar, from plants, plants. We get tea, coffee and sugar from plants. We get oil from plants. That is the third FB. We get oil from plants. Weget, get. Oil, oil. From plants, plants. We get oil from plants. Jute and cotton are fibers we get from plants. That is the fourth FB. Jute, jute. And cotton are fibers. Fibers, fibers. We get Weget, get. From plants, plants. Jute and cotton are fibers we get from plants. Fifth FB. Furniture is made from tea plant. FURNITURE. Furniture. MADE. Made. From. TEAKT. PLANT. Plant. Furniture is made from tea plant. Now, have you written? If not, you can play the video again and then you can write it in your fair book. I will share this same content in our WhatsApp group also, so you can write in your fair book according to your comfortable time. Okay? Now, match the following. What is the answer of rice? Rice is a cereal. See, I have written all the answers here. Okay? In textbook, I will share the textbook content also, that you can see that in exams it will be given, the direct answers will not be given. You have to write the answers. Here I am writing direct answers that you have to copy in the fair book. Okay? Cardamom is a spice. Cardamom, cinnamon, black pepper, these are spice. Which are two fibers? Can anybody tell me? Yes, cotton and jute are two fibers. Now, what do we make from rubbers? Tire, erasers, rubber pipes. But what are the options given here? That is only one eraser. So what will be the answer? Eraser. Now, by which flowers the perfumes are also obtained? For example, there are rose and jasmine. Here rose is given. So what is the answer? With the help of rose, what do we get? What do we obtain from that? Perfume. Very good. Okay. Now, this also I will share in the PDF in the WhatsApp group. Okay. Now, in exams you will be told that you have to write, give two examples of each. Here I have given you two examples. You can add one more also. Okay. Here cereals are given. So you have to write two examples of cereals. Here I have written rice and wheat. Whereas you can write oat, barley. You can write here. Okay. Now, when I ask second one, that is spices. Here I have written, what is the answer? Cardamom and cinnamon. So, what is the third one that I can write? That is black pepper. Which is that? Black pepper. Okay, you can write. If you feel that cardamom and cinnamon spellings are a bit difficult, you can write cardamom and black pepper or cinnamon and black pepper. Okay. Now, third topic, plants that give us medicines. As we had discussed in the class, that tulsi and neem are the plants that give us medicines. But one of the students told me that, ma'am, turmeric is also. So you can write turmeric also. You can write tulsi and turmeric. You can write neem and turmeric also. Okay. Now,
Plants that give us fibers, that are cotton and jute. These are two, and you have to compulsory write cotton and jute. Now, plants that give us wood, that is teak, pine and shisham. Okay, you can write that. I am dictating once again. Okay, give two examples. Write with me. First is cereals. 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 What is that? cereals. Cereals. What is the answer of that? rice. Rice. wheat. Wheat. Rice and wheat. Now what is the second one? spices. Spices. What is the answer of that? cardamom. Cardamom. And what is the second example? cinnamon. Cinnamon. Spices, cardamom, cinnamon. Plants that give us medicines. plants. Plants. that. give. us. medicines. Medicines. What is the answer for that? tulsi. Tulsi. and neem. Tulsi and neem. What is the fourth one? Plants that give us fibers. plants. Plants. that. give. us. fibers. Fibers. cotton and cotton. jute. What is the answer? Cotton and jute. The last one. Plants that give us wood. plants. Plants. that. give. us. wood. wood. teak. pine. teak. pine. Repeating from first one. Cereals, rice, wheat, spices, cardamom, cinnamon. Plants that give us medicines. Tulsi, neem. Plants that give us fibers. Cotton, jute. Plants that give us wood. Teak and pine. Okay. So, this till here we are keeping. Give one word and question answers. I will add up in the next session. Okay. Now, hope you all have understood the whole lesson. If you have any doubts, you can ask me or you can tell me. I will surely include in the next session. Okay. and you have to write this in your fair book one time and one time in your homework book. Okay, students? Okay, good luck. Bye. See you all in the next session. We will wait for you. Okay? Stay home, stay safe.